Hey guys, welcome back. And us, the Geek Farm, we are back again with another pick of tech hauls.
We are here to unbox and review the all-new PlayStation 5, which is an excellent addition to the console lineup as we enter a new era for gaming.
Without much delay, let's go to it.
This box has this cool design of how console and controller look. On the top, it does say 8K, 4K, 120 and HDR.
Now, let's see what we have inside the box.
First, we have a cardboard box and below we have the console. Man, sure is that PS5 is massive in size and design too. It does feel too heavy, which means it's not for carrying around for sleepovers. It is easily the tallest games console we've ever handled and at 4.5 kg, the heaviest as well. However, there is something elegant about its design with the white faceplate serving as space age protection with the actual console unit sandwiched between. It's certainly different. As we've seen in an official teardown video made by PlayStation, the plates also serve a purpose. They can be removed and underneath lies one of the largest fan units we've seen. Sony is clearly not taking chances on a repeat of the overheating issues experienced by PS4 Pro owners and has even included hidden ports that once exposed provide easy access for vacuuming dust away. Let's go to the DualSense controller. The new DualSense wireless controller is a big step up. The new PS5 controller has evolved far beyond the PS4 version in both design and functionality. Biggest improvements are the adaptive triggers, which can offer resistance, built-in mic, and better haptic effects. The controller feels great in the hand, and both the motion controls and force feedback are rock solid so far. As with the console itself, there are a lot of small design touches I appreciate here, including the translucent buttons and myriad of hidden PlayStation symbols etched into the rear grips. I'm also glad to see Sony embrace USB-C charging, much like Microsoft has with the Xbox a light wireless controller too. Since it's all accessories unboxing, let's get into the other accessories as well. Sony has also made DualSense charging station, which allows us to charge our both controllers simultaneously. If you're a person who is going to use only one controller, then you can just plug in your USB to the controller to charge it. We have the dock and the power cable in the box, and the controller will indicate it's charging by an orange light on the controller. Then we have the new wireless headset Pulse 3D. Pulse 3D design is super simple and have the theme colors black and white. This headset will do 3D audio for some games which supports it. Headset has 2 microphones for better audio quality and better noise cancellation. Material of the headset is almost everything in here is plastic. This is the HD camera, which will be the last accessory anyone would go for unless you are a streamer who wants to online stream the games you play. This is the camera you would want to go. This is 1080 pixel camera. It has a built-in stand which is just adjustable. Last but not the least, the media remote. PlayStation 5 has plenty of media features, including several major streaming apps and services, and the ability to play Ultra HD Blu-ray discs. So, PlayStation has made the media remote. The media remote evokes the design of the PlayStation 5, albeit in a slim handheld form. The remote features a large plus-shaped navigation pad that consists of 4 slim directional buttons arranged around a small circular confirmation button. TV power, mute, and volume up-down buttons sit above the navigation pad, along with the microphone button for using the PS5's voice control features. Playback and menu buttons sit below the navigation pad with dedicated service buttons for Disney Plus, Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube below them. So that's it for the PS5 and all accessories quick unboxing. We will bring you a full and detailed review very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification if you don't want to miss our next video. Give us a like if you found this video was useful and comment down below your thoughts on the PS5. Till we meet again with our next video, I'm signing off from Geek Form.